Liberty International presents Wow Mobile. Imagine if all you had to do was refer 3 people you know to the latest in technology for mobile phones and yours would be free. That's right, absolutely free. No more monthly bill. We're going to show you how that's possible. Let's take a time to figure out how much have you been spending on mobile phone before now. How much is your family's cell phone bill? $100, $200, even $300 or more? How much have you spent in the last 10 years of your life paying for cell phone service? I know that me and my family spent $40,000 in 10 years on mobile phone service. Let's compare rates from all over the world from the most well-known providers of cellular service. $99 for any unlimited plan, all the way to $139. But some of these are not truly unlimited, as you can see here. Texting is an optional feature, and so is data services. And none of these well-known service providers are allowing you to have their service without a 2-year contract. Keep in mind, all these prices, you have to add about a 22 or 23% tax on top of that price. Look at the Liberty International Wow Mobile plan. $79.95 includes tax and usage fees. It's a flat fee, $79.95, unlimited. Anytime calls to U.S., Canada, and Puerto Rico, unlimited email, unlimited texting, unlimited web browsing, data transfer, and here it is. If you refer 3 people to this unbeatable deal, yours is free. Now, what about international calling? How many people are calling outside of the country to keep in touch with loved ones? The unlimited international plan has all the same features as the unlimited plan, plus international calling into 40 different countries and soon to be 100 countries. And here it is again. Refer 3 and yours is free. Can you imagine international calling with no more bill? Okay, so you know we have the best service. Now, how much does an independent rep working for Liberty International get paid? Bonuses of $100, $300, and $1,000. Instant bonuses by hiring reps just to spread the word about this wonderful new service that's going to change so many people's lives. You earn commissions 6 days a week. There's no inventory, no accounting, no shipping. It's a paperless business. All of it is managed with a beautiful back office website. Override 100% of all commission points. That means that all the customers that are going to come on to your business and start using Liberty International's Wow Mobile plan, you're going to get paid for every single person using a phone that is in your business. Is that amazing? They're allowing us to be a part of this. 6,000 points earns you a check up to 56 times per day. That means that for all the people using phones in your organization, every time 6,000 points is accumulated, it pays out in $50 increments up to $7,700 per day. That's $2.9 million, and that is not including the fast start bonuses. Here's the most common questions. Can I transfer my contacts from one phone to another? Absolutely. Is there good tech support? Yes, they have a 60,000 square foot building with customer service reps inside and already working on this system. There is no outsourcing. It's located in the United States and they speak English and Spanish. Is there good signal strength? Absolutely. We're using the HTC Pro Series phones. That means the smartphones, the touch phone, the G1, the G2, lightning fast web browsing and data transfer and download speeds. Absolutely amazing, this new technology. Is there roaming charges? No. Is there a service contract? No. And there is no credit checks either, and you can keep your phone number. When you get started as a Liberty International independent rep, this will be your story. People trading in their old phones and trading up to, first of all, go to work and make some money in this tough time of recession, and also to get rid of that nagging bill that they've been paying for years and years. WOW Mobile is giving you a chance to change your situation financially and also to be part of the latest in technology as far as breakthroughs in the advancement of wireless mobile phones. Guys, go back to the person who has sent you to this website and tell them you want to learn more. This is an opportunity that can absolutely change your life.